forms and user input. That's our new section. In this section we will be talking about, of course, forms and how the user can insert some input via the forms. Forms, that's essential part of web development because all type of information, and whenever user wants to inform your application about what the user wants to perform, it comes via forms. Then forms we are using for many different types of calculation, for contact, also for search, etc., etc. So forms, that's a widely used those are widely used HTML tags, and user input is essential action for users to do while browsing the internet. This will be a very short class which I will show in the simplest example of HTML form, and basically that's it. We have a form. It has a closing tag, and between those tags, form tags, there will be form elements. But for basic example, you just need a form. Maybe you wonder what is actually action and method. Action is the URL where the form data is sent. Here it is a relative URL submit form. Relative URL, basically, if I am here on, let's say, google.com, then if I add here submit form, this is a relative URL to Google domain. So relative URL means relate to a current domain. And method post, this is HTTP method used while submitting the form. What are HTTP method? You don't need to know. For now, it will be always post in our examples. So let's see what it shows. Actually, it shows nothing. Why? We are having the code and it shows nothing. Why is the case? Simple, because here we need to insert elements, and actually we will start adding first elements in the next class, where we will talk about text inputs, radio buttons, and checkboxes. See you in the next class.